Hi, in today's tutorial we're going to show our member with Atlantic Business Federation how to administer their website by adding product, changing pages, and also how to go into their cPanel and add and delete email, and also to review their stats within their website. So the first thing we would do for any client is to send them an email with their username and password to not only their website, but also for their cPanel. We'd also give a link to the cPanel and a link to the WordPress administration. So after the email is sent, we'll give you an overview of the cPanel first, and then we'll give you an overview of the website. But the cPanel is very straightforward. It's kind of a separate area from the website, and this is where all of the files would be stored for the website and how to administer email and check your web stats. So you would just simply log in, and when you're logged into the cPanel, your email accounts, so this is where you would add email, this is where you would forward email, and this is where you would see your stats for the website. So let's start with the stats first. So you would click onto your stats, go to your SSL certificate website, and you want to view the stats right here. And once you're in there, you can see exactly your number of visitors, where they're coming from, and where they're going. And your stats right here. You can view them on a monthly and daily basis, and you can see the duration and where they're going within the website. Now this becomes very important because if there's places within the website that people are not going, or if your stats are down for whatever reason, you can let us know and we can adjust the website by adding keywords or optimizing it a little bit better, or just seeing whether there's problems within the site that might be hampering people's ability to view it. So now that we've seen the stats and how to maneuver around there, let's go in and show you how to add email accounts and how to forward them within the cPanel. So you would simply click on your email account, and what we want to do is add a new one. So we want to create a new account right over here. Click on create. You would want to call it, well, in this case we'll call it sales, and give it a password, and then you would simply create. Once that email is created, you can set it up in your Gmail or Outlook account, but to go in and administer it and to check your email, you can do it right from the cPanel. And again, you would simply check your email, open your email with a program called RoundQ, and it's like any other email account. You have an inbox, a send option, drafts, your junk, your trash, but you can check all of your email anywhere in the world right from your cPanel. Once your email is set up, you might want to forward that email to your existing Gmail account or Hotmail account or whatever. So you'd simply return home to your cPanel, click on forward, add a forwarder. In this case, we've already set up sales. So that's the email that you want to have forwarded, and you would be forwarding it to your own personal account. And once it's forwarded, you simply add forwarder, and it's created. So now that we've finished up with a cPanel, let's go back to the website and show you how to add products to the products area and add pages to the pages area within the website. So as mentioned before, we would have sent out an email with that area that would bring you to a login or administrative area. So you would simply log in with your username and password, and that would bring you to your dashboard. So when you log into the dashboard, you'll notice on the left side of the screen, there's a number of areas that you can go to within your WordPress Atlantic Business Federation dashboard. The two areas that we're going to concentrate on would be your pages area and your products area. This is where you're going to make the most changes on a daily basis. So let's concentrate on those two. So we'll start off with the pages area first. So in your dashboard, you would go to Pages and then All Pages. And when you're in the Pages area, you just scroll down to the page that you want to edit. You can't edit all the pages at the same time. You can only edit one page at a time. So in this case, we're going to do a little bit of editing to the home page. And you always want to edit with a program called Elementor. That's the main program that we use. So that will bring you into the Pages area. In the Pages area, all of your elements are to the left of the screen and your actual page is to the right of the screen. So when you go to an area that you want to edit, there's going to be a little blue box with an area that will pop up. So that would be the area that you would be editing at any given time. So you just scroll down to the area that you want. And in this case, we might want to change this here. So you would see the blue box around the area that you want to edit. So we just click on that particular box. There and the left-hand side would be the area that you want to put in. So let's just edit that and say limited. And you would simply update, and that makes the changes within the website. So it's very straightforward and very easy. If you want to add changes or make change pictures around, so again, you would go to the section where you want to edit. You would click on the layout or the style sheets. In this case, we want to change some pictures around or add more pictures. So there's the pictures that are in that area right now. So you would just click on the area. That will bring you up to your menu or your media menu. So you can either add to the gallery by simply clicking on and going to your own computer. So you can upload from your computer. Wait for this to load. So you would click on upload files from your own computer, but we've already uploaded some pictures, so we'll just use those. So we'll just add a couple of more pictures, add those to the gallery, insert the gallery, and update accordingly. And then when you go to the main page, you can just refresh your main page, and all of those pictures that you just added are on the new player. And you would be able to do the same with all of the areas within your website. So to recap, on your Pages area, you would click on the area that you want to edit. All of your elements are right over here. You would just click on and then edit accordingly. We'll be doing a separate video on how to design different pages by using those same elements. But for this, we just wanted to show you how to edit each individual page and change pictures. So now let's go back to the Add Products area and show you how to add products to your website. So now we go back to the dashboard and we want to scroll down to the Products area, and what we're going to do is we're going to be adding a new product. So you would just simply click on the Add All Products first, and that would bring you to all of the products that you have now listed in your products area. So in this area, you can add new, you can edit an existing product, or you can delete a product. So to delete it, you would simply click on the product that you want deleted, go in and just click on Move to Trash, and that's how you're deleted. But for now, we're going to show you how to add a new product. So you click on Add New, and that would bring you over to your product area. So it's kind of work your way down when you're adding a product. So the first thing you would do is you would give it a name or a character. So we're going to call it this one a 2000 Jeep 4x4. And in this first area, this is not the description. The second area right here is where you would add this description. So in here, what we're going to be doing in this area is we're going to add a Contact Us form. So all you do is you simply click on Add Form, add a contact form, and it's already loaded. So we'll show you what that looks like on the main page, but that's a preloaded form already. So again, on the right hand of the screen, you want to add it into a category. So in this case, we want to add a pre-owned vehicle. Now you can give it its own unique category, like if you have cars or Jeeps or whatever, you can add a new category and you can call that a car, and you can put it under the pre-owned vehicle, and you would click on it, and that would create a new category. So there, now we have car set up, but in this case it's not a car, it's a Jeep. So we would just click on Jeep, but it's under pre-owned vehicles. So you would click on both of them, or you can just leave that blank, and all of the cars would automatically load in pre-owned vehicles. The next box you would do is you would give it a price, $13,000 say, but say you want to put that on a sale, and we'll knock that down to $12,000 on a sale. So you would do that within this area right here. The next area is you would put it in your inventory. So you'd click on inventory, and you want to give that a SKU number. So we're going to call that a Jeep, and it's the very first Jeep, so we'll go 001, and it's in stock right now. So we're adding that product in, and after you sell it, you simply click on, and then you take it out of your stock. The next area that you would put it in would be your product tags. So this helps in optimization a little bit. So we're going to call it a Jeep, and we're going to call it a GMC Jeep. Always separate the tags with a comma. Again, as you're scrolling down, now this is the area that you're going to give it a description. So it's a 2013 Jeep. It's got a transmission, 4 wheels, it's got a leather interior, it's got an engine, and it's got a sunroof. Whatever the description of the vehicle would be, that's where you would add it there. So again, you would keep on scrolling down, and on the left-hand side, the next area would be adding your product images. So there's 2 areas right here. There's one for your product image right here. That's your main image that you would want to have. And the second product is your product gallery, where you would add, maybe the inside of the vehicle, or a side view or a rear view. So let's go ahead and add some products. So there's our Jeep here. We're going to add the product there. So that's what people would see from the main page. This is where you would add your product gallery. So your interior shots. You have to do these individually. So now your Jeep is there, your interior shots are here. And the last thing that you would want to do is to give it some search engine optimization. That's what that SEO means. So in this case, we got a 2013 Jeep in Stellarton, Nova Scotia. So in this area, like I say, it is your search engine optimization area. So you would give it a description, and you would want to be specific, because if it was a Jeep in Mexico, then people would be doing that search. So you'd want to have your title being the product, where the product is located, and then in this area you would give it a description. So it's a Jeep with an engine and transmission in great shape. And then as you scroll down, you can add some target keywords. Jeep for sale in Stellarton. So what this does, it gives it a more unique description. So if people are doing a Google search for Jeep in Nova Scotia, then pick that up. So after it's all completed, you have a look at it, and it looks good, and then you simply come up here and you publish it, and you're done. So now you go back to your main page, have a look. There you see the Jeep that's for sale. It's on sale. You would click on the description, and it was marked down from $13,000 down to $12,000. It's the 2013 Jeep with a transmission, 4 wheels, leather interior, and sunroof. And these are the different products, interior shots. And of course, it's all magnified so people can zoom in and get a better look at the tires, better look at the windows, and it's all tagged. And that's your contact form, so people can send a request for more information or hopefully to buy it. So that's a tutorial on how to add your product, how to edit the product, how to delete the product, and make adjustments to the products within your products area. Now, we will be adding some time links in the description below. So if you want to go back and follow up on any part of this video, just click the timestamps in the description below, and that'll take you to that particular area that we talked about. Again, thank you very much for watching, and if there's any questions, contact us at our website at AtlanticBusinessFederation.com anytime. Thank you, and have a great day.